Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been considering a large SUV for your family, you've probably come across two heavyweights in the segment, the Chevrolet Tahoe and the Ford Expedition. Both of these SUVs are great choices in their own right, with tons of space, power, and an impressive list of features. But when it comes to reliability, which one takes the crown? We're counting down from 10 to 1, looking at everything from performance to safety, comfort, and long-term durability. By the end of this video, you'll know which SUV is the better option for you and your family. Let's get started. 10. Price. We'll kick things off with the price. Both the Chevrolet Tahoe and the Ford Expedition are large SUVs with high-end features, so they aren't exactly budget-friendly. However, when it comes to pricing, the Chevrolet Tahoe tends to be the more expensive option. The base model of the Tahoe typically starts around $54,000, while the Ford Expedition starts at about $52,000 for the base version. That's not a huge gap, but if you're looking to save a few $1,000s up front, the Expedition might be a better starting point. When you move up the trim levels and start adding more options, the gap widens a little. Both vehicles can easily exceed $70,000 when fully loaded, especially if you're opting for high-end trims like the Tahoe High Country or the Expedition Platinum. So, while the price difference isn't massive, it is something to consider when you're weighing your options. 9. Interior comfort and space. Now, let's talk about interior comfort. Both the Tahoe and Expedition are designed to comfortably seat up to 8 passengers, making them great choices for larger families or road trips. However, there are some key differences in terms of overall interior space. The Chevrolet Tahoe offers more space in the third-row seats, making it a more comfortable option for taller passengers. While both SUVs feature ample legroom in the front and second rows, the Tahoe's third row feels roomier, which is a big win if you have older kids or need to carry passengers regularly. When it comes to quality, both interiors are upscale, featuring premium materials, but the Tahoe's cabin is a little more refined in terms of luxury. The materials used in the Tahoe are top-notch, and the design feels a bit more polished. If interior space and comfort are a top priority for you, the Tahoe might edge out the Expedition, especially if you often carry passengers in the third row. 8. Technology and features. Both the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition are packed with modern technology and features, but they approach things a little differently. The Tahoe comes equipped with a 10.2-inch touchscreen as standard, which is an impressive feature that enhances the overall experience. It's paired with Chevy's latest Infotainment 3 system, which includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and available navigation. The system is user-friendly and responsive, making it easy to stay connected while on the road. The Ford Expedition also comes with a large touchscreen, usually 8 inches or optional 12 inches, depending on the trim level, and it runs Ford's Sync 4 system. While the system is good and offers similar features like Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the interface isn't quite as seamless as the Tahoe's. In terms of technology, both SUVs have the latest safety features, such as forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. So, no clear winner here, but the Tahoe takes the edge for its slightly more advanced and intuitive system. 7. Towing capacity. If towing is important to you, both the Chevrolet Tahoe and the Ford Expedition offer impressive towing capabilities, but the Ford Expedition takes the win here. When properly equipped, the Expedition can tow up to 9,300 pounds, which is one of the highest ratings in the segment. The Chevrolet Tahoe, on the other hand, offers a maximum towing capacity of 8,400 pounds, which is still more than enough for most uses. While the Tahoe's towing capacity is solid, the Expedition offers a little more muscle in this department, especially with the optional heavy-duty tow package. So, if towing is a major priority for you, the Expedition might be the better pick. 6. Fuel economy. Let's talk about fuel economy. Both the Chevrolet Tahoe and the Ford Expedition aren't exactly known for their great gas mileage, given their size and power. However, there are some differences between the two. The Tahoe's base V8 engine gets an estimated 15 mpg in the city and 20 mpg on the highway, which is pretty typical for a large SUV with that much power. The Ford Expedition, on the other hand, has slightly better fuel economy, especially with the standard V6 engine. The Expedition's base model gets an estimated 17 mpg in the city and 23 mpg on the highway. While these numbers aren't dramatically better, they can add up over time if you do a lot of driving. 5. Ride quality and handling. Now let's look at ride quality and handling. Both the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition are large SUVs with a truck-like feel on the road, but there are some differences when it comes to driving dynamics. The Chevrolet Tahoe, especially with its larger wheels and stiffer suspension setup, can feel a bit rougher on uneven roads. It's a great vehicle for highway cruising, but if you spend a lot of time driving on city streets with bumps and potholes, the ride can get uncomfortable. The Ford Expedition, in comparison, is generally more comfortable to drive. Its suspension system is better tuned for absorbing bumps and providing a smoother ride overall. It feels more stable on the highway, and its steering is a little lighter, making it easier to maneuver in tight spots. Overall, the Expedition is the better choice if ride comfort and handling are important factors for you. 4. Reliability. When it comes to reliability, both the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition are solid choices. However, there are some differences in terms of brand reputation and long-term durability. Chevrolet has consistently been known for producing durable trucks and SUVs, and the Tahoe has generally done well in terms of reliability ratings. On the other hand, the Ford Expedition has a solid track record for reliability and longevity as well. Ford's newer models have improved in terms of durability, and the Expedition tends to have fewer issues with its engines and transmission compared to the Tahoe. Overall, both SUVs should last a long time with proper care, but the Expedition might have a slight edge when it comes to long-term reliability and lower maintenance costs. 3. Safety ratings. Safety is a big concern for many buyers, especially when considering a large family vehicle. Both the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition have received high safety ratings from organizations like the NHTSA and IIHS. Both vehicles come with a range of advanced safety features like forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and more. In terms of crash safety, both the Tahoe and Expedition have performed well in various tests, with both vehicles earning high marks in frontal, side impact, and rollover crash tests. However, the Tahoe has a slightly better reputation for overall crash protection in certain areas, especially for the front passengers. Still, both SUVs are great choices if safety is your primary concern. 2. Off-road capability. If you plan to take your SUV off the beaten path, both the Chevrolet Tahoe and the Ford Expedition offer strong off-road capabilities, but there are some key differences. The Chevrolet Tahoe comes with an available Z71 off-road package, which includes features like an upgraded suspension, skid plates, and all-terrain tires, making it a good option for more rugged adventures. While both vehicles are great off-roaders, the Tahoe is slightly more capable in terms of ground clearance and off-road focused features. So, if you're serious about off-roading, the Tahoe might have the advantage. 1. Overall reliability and value. When we take everything into account, from engine performance to safety, reliability, and off-road capabilities, both the Chevrolet Tahoe and Ford Expedition have their strengths. However, the Ford Expedition edges out the Tahoe in overall reliability. With a more comfortable ride, better fuel economy, and slightly better long-term durability, the Expedition stands as the more reliable option for families who need a trustworthy vehicle. That said, if you prioritize more space, a better towing capacity, and off-road capabilities, the Tahoe is an excellent option as well. Both vehicles are great, but if you're looking for the most reliable and cost-effective long-term choice, the Ford Expedition takes the win. So, which is the more reliable SUV? In the end, it comes down to what matters most to you. The Ford Expedition is slightly more reliable, with better fuel economy and a more comfortable ride. However, the Chevrolet Tahoe offers more space and is a better option if towing capacity and off-road capability are high on your list. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more detailed breakdowns on all the latest vehicles. Let us know which SUV you think is the better choice for you in the comments, and we'll see you next time.